Welcome to Beaver Tech Solution. If you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. Thanks to all our return back subscribers. This video is going to show you how you can successfully replace your Type-C charging port for all Android phone. Some of us have been commenting, drop a tutorial video on how we can replace charging ports. I'm going to drop this video on how you can replace your Type-C charging ports. So just follow the step closely as I'm going to guide you through step by step to a successful replacement of your Type-C charging port. So please pay attention. Remember, click on the notification bell, click on like and share. You can even drop your comment at the comment section. So follow the step closely. Stay blessed, guys. As you can see, we have successfully removed the gum that the company puts to hold the charging port so that it will not pull from the board. So we now want to pull the former charging ports from it. So just apply your heat on it, put your paste, then gently wait for it to heat. Make sure the whole leg are weak before you remove your charging port. So don't force. I repeat, don't force the charging port, because doing so will damage one of the legs, and when one is damaged it becomes too difficult to replace. Good. So that is this. Alright, so now time for us to clean the surface, just to also shine it so that nothing will affect it. Yes, so it will look so smooth, there will be no bridging. So just for us to clean the surface now. Yeah, so use your scraper to shine the face with your paste. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, make sure you do it all over. Make sure all places are well cleaned so that you can see each of the leg well when you want to replace the new charging ports. Alright, so you can see it. Okay. Alright, so you see it now, it's looking shiny, alright. So that is what we want to achieve. So you can see each of the leg well when you want to insert the new charging ports. Alright, so it's now ready for the new charging port to come in, as you can see in the video. So apply a liquid paste lead on it so that it will just be easy to, once you put your soldering iron, it will just be following. Alright, now let's put the charging ports. Okay, yes, it's see sit for it. So this just is exact time. So most of these charging ports Type C, you just have to make sure you are using the right one for it. There are various type of Type C charging ports, so make sure you are using the one that is suitable for this particular phone. Good. So that you leg carefully, neatly, the four leg that hold the charging ports, just so that they, yeah. Please guys, if you have not hit on the subscribe button, please do so now. Hit on the subscribe button so that you can get our new videos when we upload them. And also click on the notification bell. Yes, so you can see the work is done successfully.